Hey y'all, so the voice good, man. I need to hear this shit myself, man. I'm gonna have to turn. Let me get y'all another beat one time for the one time. Changing these beats up in this thing. Ooh wee. Take him out, put him in. Uh, yeah. Uh, uh, yeah. Hey. Attention in the pits. You got about 15 minutes to go ahead and get your fuel and nitrous, guys. If you don't have it within the next 15 minutes, it's going to be closed. Hey. Better get your fuel and nitrous. Y'all like it. Yeah, not forcing it, natural. Hey, attention in the pits. We got about 15 minutes to go ahead and get your fuel and nitrous, guys. The concession stands are also going to be closed, so you better go ahead and get your turkey legs and your hot links right now. We got more hot dogs coming up fresh out of the oven. We have more hot chips and Frito-Lays, guys. Come on up. Matter of fact, come get your free ice cream, guys. You know what time it is. Bring your kids. Bring everyone you know, guys. It's about to go down. Bring all of your friends and everything. If you have bottles at the concession stand, please go pick them up now. Hey. Glizzy fresh out the oven. We have free turkey legs. Thanks to our sponsor, Clyde. Yes, that's right, guys. Clyde just bought everyone turkey legs. We have like 16 of them left, guys. Come on over. Get you a free hot dog. That's right, guys. We got stuff here for free. Oh, man, that's what I forgot to tell y'all. Ooh. Let me tell y'all this news. Guess what? Remember that video that they got took down? Guess what? They didn't put that bitch back up. Ah! Boo, 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 boo. Hey, y'all. That video that they took down, they didn't put it back up, man. They tried to copyright me and fill out all kind of paperwork. They was online, and oh my God, we're gonna put a stop to this, buddy. They was online typing away. Oh my God. But they put it back. They put it back, man. He lost. What did he do that for? Did he make himself look bad? I had to go on that bitch. I said, what, they nigga motherfucking type this shit? You know what I'm saying? I had to call YouTube. Hey, man, look out. Hell no, he lying like a motherfucker, man. I ain't do that shit. Use his content. You know, goddamn well, I don't need his content. I was just trying to show something, man. That's all I was trying to do. Oh, that didn't work? Yeah, man, I don't know. He could have said something to me, but he didn't say. Oh, he hit y'all up. He hit y'all up. Oh, yeah? He said, I did what? His content. He filled out paperwork. What? They doing that? They got paperwork. What? When they start doing that bullshit, man, I thought that was whole ass shit. They doing that? Ah, man. So that's a strike. Ah, man, he don't want to see me with no money either. He hating like that. Oh, man. Don't worry about it. Hey, look out, YouTube, man. Oh, he lying. Stopped it. Unblock my video. Unblock my video, man. I'ma send y'all the video so y'all can look at it. Yeah, motherfucker lying. They just hating. They don't want to see me winning, man. They don't want to see me winning. I said they don't want to see me winning, man. They be trying to do all kind of hoe ass shit. Want to copyright me. They don't like to see the truth, fool. Man, you know I was telling the truth. I ain't got no. That's why I put the video up. I don't be doing no lying. Got time for no goddamn lie. Yeah, it's a setup. This shit is fixed. This shit is fixed. Hey, y'all. Innocent until proven guilty. Yeah, I like this microphone. This bitch here sounds good. Hey. Let me show y'all. I'm finna give me another video, another intro. Let me see what this one working with. I should have. And action. Hey. Trying to give me a copyright. Hell no, I don't shit I like. Steady doing this shit I don't like. I gotta come up with a good or better rhyme than that. Hey. Hell yeah, I had a copyright. Doing shit that I don't like. Hell yeah, I had it every night. Pulling up. Hell nah. Coming through. I'm a bob. Yeah. Yeah. Hey. I made a little video. Really though. It's a good beat, but I ain't just ready to flow to that bitch like that, man. Hey. Oh, let me show y'all the video, man. Anyway, man, they over there hating on me. Yeah, buddy. We're not gonna let you make any money. We're gonna try our best to freaking stop you, man. Oh yeah, dude. We heard that you're freaking prospering off YouTube. We're gonna go ahead and see if we can put a stop to it. We really didn't like it. I was like, darn, dude. Freaking lookouts getting I freaking see sticker packages all over the freaking ground. I'm freaking sick of it. Yeah, dude. He freaking leaves stickers all over the freaking ground.